Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Shopify versus Squarespace for artists. We'll dive into their core functionalities, helping you decide which platform best suits your creative business needs. We'll examine how each handles online sales, website design, and overall user experience. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses for selling art. When it comes to selling your art, both platforms offer solid e-commerce. Shopify provides extensive tools for managing a large product catalog, including variations and detailed shipping rules. Squarespace simplifies the process with built-in selling features, ideal for artists with a smaller inventory or those just starting. Think about your sales volume and desired control over the selling process. Design is crucial for artists, and both platforms deliver. Squarespace is renowned for its beautiful, minimalist templates that showcase artwork elegantly with minimal effort. Shopify offers a wider range of themes, providing more flexibility for unique branding, though some customization might require a bit more technical comfort. Consider which aesthetic aligns best with your artistic vision. Understanding pricing and support is key. Both Shopify and Squarespace offer various plans, with entry-level options typically ranging from $16 to $29 per month, depending on features. They also provide excellent customer support, usually available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, through chat or email. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Choose the plan that fits your budget and growth aspirations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.